Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the display section, wallpaper, and then you can select if you want to set some live wallpapers. If you have one, you can select one of the presets here. And you can also set one of your photos as a wallpaper here. Let's select photo, adjust it, and then tap set wallpaper. And then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.